This video explains how to allow the candidates to modify the test that has already been submitted. Hover over to the test in the main menu, select Manage Tests, and open the desired test by clicking on his name. Navigate to the Candidates tab of this exam, and you can use the search field to find the user to allow the candidate to modify a test. Click the Modify icon from the Actions column. A pop-up window will appear, where instructors can leave a message for this specific candidate, and the candidate will see his message when reopening the test. Now let's log in as a candidate to demonstrate modifying the test. As you can see, the candidate has received a notification saying that the modification of the test attempt is allowed for the specific test. A candidate will see the button Modify instead of Start, and the instructor's feedback will appear in a pop-up dialog once the button is clicked. Click the Modify button once again and reopen the test. Note that all answers are saved as submitted, but the candidate can navigate between questions, change selected answers, and resubmit. When finished with modification, a candidate should click the Finish Test button,